We're here in sunny Salt Lake City, Utah, in the United States at the Petzl Technical Institute. We just wrapped up the Sprat Conference and we're kicking off Petzl RopeTrip 2026, the Americas edition. We have teams coming from all over the world to test their skills and see how they stack up against the competition. We've got lots of challenges that are going to test their skills and make them think outside of the box.
What is this?
So sit back and enjoy the 2026 Petzl RopeTrip. Puzzler, teams use a counterbalance system to fly one technician up, grab a puzzle piece, and then install them on the board one at a time. Once the puzzle is assembled, the technicians do it all again in reverse. When all the puzzle pieces are back in their original position, that's the end of the time. In the rescue challenge, teams descend down into a confined space, then out a manhole and down to the ground level to rescue their patient. This scenario requires complex rope and personnel management, with vertical and horizontal movement, all to bring their patient back up top. In the Tyrolean Challenge, teams start on the roof of the Petzl Technical Institute. Lower one of their technicians down the slope to fill up a bucket of water. The technician gets hauled back upslope where they deposit the water. Each team member takes a turn on the Tyrolean, and teams are scored based on how much water they can collect. The skill stretcher adds challenging twists to standard rope access maneuvers. The technicians go through wide re-anchors, diagonal tension lines, a knot pass on stretchy ropes, and a reachy aid climb. Once the individual obstacles are complete, the team works together in a cross haul to place the rings into helmets. The High Roller Challenge simulates work on a cable stay bridge. Teams design their access method to roll down and up the cable stays. At some point in the challenge, there will be an injured worker who needs to be rescued and brought down to the ground. Thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate you coming to Petzl. We're so happy to support the rope access community. With that, this is a competition. The four final teams now proceed to the semifinals at Woodward Park City. Two of the semifinalists represent the United States, Gravity Line, and Just Don't Die. Team Blackhawk represents Brazil, and Secure Live is representing Italy. In this head-to-head challenge, 2 teams race against each other to aid climb out the roof trusses, take a big swing, then finally cross-haul an I-beam into place. It's the 2 American teams who will compete for first place in the finals. Gravity Line and Just Don't Die. The 2 teams will use the I-beams that were installed during the semifinal round. Each team hauls 4 steel RopeTrip letters across the facility, zipping back and forth across a tensioned high line. The team members work together to transfer the letter to the beam and make the electrical connections. The first team to light up their 4 letters and sit on the I-beam is crowned the winning team. After 3 days of competition and camaraderie, American team Gravity Line is the winner, the same team that won RopeTrip 2020. Congratulations to Gravity Line and to every team who attended. The 2026 Petzl RopeTrip America's edition was truly an unforgettable event.